This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Bluetooth speaker to your Samsung or Android phone. So this is very easy. You just want to put your Bluetooth speaker into the pairing mode, and if you look on the top, most of the time you just have to power it on, so I just have to power it on with the button right here. So I'll turn it off and then I'll turn it back on, and it'll be scanning for a phone to connect to. Now swipe it down from the top right, and you can probably just hold down on the Bluetooth button right here, and you should be able to see the options for it. Otherwise, just go to settings, go to connections. Here's Bluetooth. I'm going to hold down on here. It'll bring me to this section, and I'm scanning on the top now, so I can see the available devices to connect to. I can tap my speaker. So it's going to be this speaker right here, this little karaoke speaker, P12.
Bluetooth connected.
And it's playing from here now. So I should be able to get media on here. Then on the Samsung phone, I can go to media output right here. I can switch between my different outputs. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.